How you guys doing today? Today I had to make my own DIY repin my OEM fog light connector for my new fog lights that I'm going to put in. Couldn't find anything Camaro related, and that just forced me to just jump in and figure it out. So I just want to show you that if you have fog lights that you want to put in and it won't clip in properly, if you flip it and the lights will come on but it won't latch, that means you have to repin this connector. I used a tool like this because I do cell phone repair, and this worked out, but I know they sell stuff at AutoZone or whatever to get, picks to pull this stuff off. So I basically came underneath here and got this yellow part out. So this is the first part. You get the idea. Part 2 coming. Now I have to move the pins. Okay, so when you release the pin, the left-hand side is out. It's a little blurry because getting up close you can tell, but it's empty, right? On the right-hand side you can see the pin is still there. If you look a little closer, on the right-hand side there's a flat tab pressing up against that metal, right? On this side you can see it's released. No pin. So you take, a pointy tip of some sort and pull that tab back, and then you can release the pin. Pin's gone. This one is in. You can see that flat plastic piece inside there still pressing up against that clip or that pin, holding it in. Once you push that to the left, you can pull on that wire to release it. Then switch them in places, left to right, right to left, and you will be able to use, like this particular fog light is the one that I have, and they just they don't clip in properly when it powers on, and when it doesn't power on, it clips in properly. That's why I had to repin it and switch it. So this is the second one I'm putting in. First one was successful. Put this one in, and then I'll show how they look at night. Sweet! If you like what you've seen on this video, please help me out by hitting the like button, and all comments are welcome, even negative ones. Have a good day. Alright, so I was going to show you at night, but I thought, what the hell, let's see what it looks like completed.